Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use payroll in Excel, the quick and easy way in 2025. If you manage a team or just want to simplify payroll processing, this one's for you. So stick around till the end. All right, let's dive in. First, you need to set up your Excel sheet. Create two main sections. Section 1 includes this column: employee name, pay per hour, total hours worked, overtime hours, and pay for overtime. Section 2 will have gross pay, income tax, and other deductions and net pay. Now let's calculate gross pay. Click on the first cell under gross pay and enter this formula. Pay per hour slash total hours worked plus overtime hours slash star pay for overtime. Hit enter, then drag the formula down to apply it all employees. Next up, income tax. In the income tax column, use this formula. Equals gross pay slash tax percentage. Again, apply it to the rest of the rows by dragging down the formula. For other deductions, you can either enter the value manually or use a formula based on your company's policy. Now, for the most important part, net pay. Use this formula. Equals gross pay minus income tax minus other deductions. Drag it down for the entire list and you're good to go. Finally, make your data neat by adding a currency format to the relevant cells. It helps with clarity and looks more professional. And that's it. You have just built a working payroll system in Excel, simple, fast, and functional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips like this one. Thanks for watching.